Man guy, those way then they beat them are women. We then think say slapping them are women when they do something wrong, or hitting them, abusing them in the right way. No, you are wrong. Make I show you something. Women, with the attention we they give them, they make them very valuable. You dey understand? The attention we they give them, even they make them somebody. Anytime you go feel say she dey go against you, where you no be happy about it, man guy, just carry your attention, put for your pocket, and take your walk. But lie, you dey understand? She go call you the beg. Don't call her. Don't check up on her. See, forget her. Take her like she no dey exist. You dey understand? Move on with your life. With that time where you for make what say, you go work hard and make money. You dey understand? You go push. So before she go see you again, Charlie, you dey understand? If you so then they punish woman, you know be slap.